Hey, welcome you all. Today we're going to review another website, 20 Clothing. So, if you are curious to know about, watch the video till the end because today we are going to give you an unbiased review regarding this website. This is actually an international B2C online website that trades women's clothing. People find every designers and trendy outfits on this website. Furthermore, the website holds a sophisticated and classy collection of dresses on it. If you are looking for simple and elegant clothing, you must visit the Trendy Clothing store. Let's check out the specification of this website. It was registered on 22nd July 2013. They have delivery time for 48 to 72 hours. They have free international delivery on orders of 300 euro, but they have not mentioned their address number, but they have mentioned their contact details. Moreover, they have social media icons available on the website. For return policy, you can have 30 days after shopping. The positive facts for Trendy Clothing are that the site is HTTPS protected. The site has provided two mails addresses, one for complaints and another is returning the item. It holds a wide variety of clothing. It has fast shipping facility. It is not taking any shipping cost from the orders that are above $300 and euro. And the adverse and negative fact of this is that the site does not carry its complete contact information on it. It is not delivering worldwide. There is no information available regarding its item exchange policy. So the question is that is Trendy Clothing is legit? So, as we have discussed, it is created on 22nd July 2013 and will expire on 30th April 2022. The trust score it has 88% and the index rank it has 75.8 out of 100. There are no customer reviews available on its official website. The website has social media existence like Facebook and Instagram pages. This company's official address is missing from the website. The published web content is of average quality. The site has not exposed anything about its owner, and there are no discount available on the websites. So unfortunately, the website has gained 5 rating from its Facebook page. People on social media posted the quality of clothes are excellent and they like it, while on the other sources such as Facebook feedback portal, review video and blog post, there is no trace of shoppers remarks found. Hence it indicates that there is something off about this website. So in our final conclusion, we can say that we cannot conclude its legitimacy as we have not found any customer reviews except its Facebook page. All the reviews are positive and no reviews anywhere else can be found. Make us stay that we must explore it well before doing any shopping from this store.